Training airmen to conduct maintenance tasks requires hundreds of manuals and checklists. Paper instructions and videos are costly to print and update, and they're limited to the perspective of the image or camera angle. BILT Incorporated provides cloud-hosted 3D interactive intelligent instructions to improve training and maintenance efficiency. BILT helps airmen increase speed and safety and reduce cost and error by eliminating cumbersome manuals and lengthy instructional videos. BILT enables today's maintainers where they're most comfortable and competent on a mobile device, where they have the capability to tap on a part, pinch to zoom in and out, and drag to rotate the 3D images 360 degrees. BILT gathers data analytics on user performance. Insights from these metrics allow BILT instruction designers to continuously improve procedures in real time. BILT provides a portal for program managers and frontline leaders to evaluate training progress and competency with quantifiable data and feedback from maintainers. BILT is available worldwide, both on and off the grid. Hundreds of 3D instruction sets can be downloaded to a single device and accessed without Wi-Fi, saving in-flight space, weight, and fuel. BILT addresses the DoD's Green Initiative and assists Air Force sustainability efforts. By adopting BILT, the Air Force takes the lead in implementing an award-winning commercial solution that will ultimately impact the entire joint interagency enterprise.